Another thing I really like about the Kitchen and Bath Show every year is seeing some of the new tubs that are now available. This is a pretty impressive one from Kohler. It's called the Soak for Two. Now here's the way this works. Water is introduced into the tub and mixed with air, and it produces somewhat of a champagne bubble effect. Then it cascades over the infinity edge into basically another tub, and then it recirculates. It also has the chromotherapy lighting throughout, and really when it's nice and dark, really provides a very ambient light throughout the entire tub area. Hey, but there's a lot more tubs around here. The air bath concept and the overflow edge are also prominent in the designs displayed by Oceana, while the NeoRest collection from Toto features tubs which automatically fill to the desired depth and temperature you choose. This model from Jade is called the Honeymoon and includes not only a built-in entertainment center, but a wine chilling station as well. Homeowners with physical limitations will appreciate options like these from Safety Bath and Safety Tub, which make access easier by adding a car door style entry point which seals tight when the tub is full. For those in the low-tech crowd with an eye for beauty, the Stone Forest exhibit includes a great tub carved entirely from onyx.